So the Brijvasis, practically every Brijvasi has this book in their house, Gita Press edition, if they read it all occasionally. So they have it in very high regard. So we have to show the greatest respect for the Brijvasis and what they, love me, love my dog. If you love the Brijvasis, then you love what they do, and if they do something that looks like you wouldn't do, then you overlook that and say, okay, they do, I don't do. What they do, I don't do. But it doesn't diminish my respect for them. Whether they smoke cigarettes or bidis or take bhang or drink whiskey or watch blue movies or whatever they do, I don't care. They're Brijvasis. I always respect them. Whatever they are, they're above me. Their birth is greater, their behavior is better, their upbringing is better, everything is above me. Always above, and I'm always below. So I have no problem. But now, that's the vichar for Brijvasi. But I'm not born in Vrindavan, I'm not a Brijvasi. I'm following Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Rasaraj Mahabhav, Radha and Krishna, Krishna Namud of Radharani. And I'm a Gaudiya Vaishnava. Most of the Brijvasis are, if they are anything, they're specifically lined up with some acharya or parampara. They're followers of Vallabhacharya, Sri Krishna Sharanam Mama, Sri Krishna Sharanam Mama, Sri Krishna Sharanam Mama. Or they're followers of Nimbarkacharya, Radhe Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Radhe Radhe, Radhe Sham, Sham Sham, Radhe Radhe. Or they're just Brijvasis. They worship Gopal and Katyayani and Durga and Shiva and Mahadev and Navaratri Puja and Dussehra and Ram. And they're pious Hindus, and they're basically all Radha and Krishna worshippers, but they worship all the key players in the Hindu pantheon, if you want to say, the forms of the Lord and their devotees, which is very good. And that's their culture, that's their dharma, that's their way of life, and we respect that. But our culture, our way of life, our dharma, and our shastra is different.